In today's video, I'm going to teach you building AI agents with Cursor. We're going to turn Cursor into a true coding partner by using its built-in AI to understand your code base, implement changes from natural language, and automate routine tasks. I'll show you how to guide it with simple prompts and a couple of essential commands so it works the way you do. Start by setting up your environment so Cursor has the right context. Open Cursor and use CMD+P to bring up the command palette. Choose a Python setup and create a virtual environment for the project. This isolates dependencies and keeps your workspace clean, which helps the AI reason accurately about libraries and versions. If the project already has a VENV, make sure it's selected so the assistant runs and tests code against the correct interpreter. With the environment ready, let Cursor's AI get to know your code base. Highlight a key file or folder and ask it to explain the architecture, major modules, and data flow. The more specific you are, the better the summary. For example, mention the main entry point or a directory that contains core logic. This context-aware understanding is what allows Cursor to make confident, consistent changes later. Now, implement changes using natural language. Describe what you want in plain English, such as adding a function, refactoring a module, or updating a configuration. Cursor will propose edits across the right files. Review the diffs carefully and accept only what matches your intent. Keep requests focused and incremental. Small, well-scoped changes are easier to validate and roll back if needed. When you need a follow-up tweak, reference the exact file or function name so the assistant stays anchored in the right place. To automate tasks, lean on Cursor's context-aware capabilities and extensions. Ask it to generate unit tests based on an existing module, apply a consistent coding style, or clean up repetitive boilerplate across multiple files. Because it understands project context, it can thread changes safely and respect your patterns. Use the terminal to run tests and linters so the AI sees real feedback and can incorporate that into the next edit. Open CMD+B to chat and define your agent's personality and skills. Tell it how formal or concise to be, what parts of the stack it should focus on, and when to ask for clarification. Set expectations for conversation flow, how it should propose plans, show diffs, and request approval. This turns Cursor into a reliable coding partner that communicates clearly and works within your preferences. That's the foundation. Set up with CMD+P, collaborate through natural language, automate with context and extensions, and shape the agent with CMD+B.